Hi and welcome back to Days Well Spent. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a germination test with your seeds. Depending on where you live, this is the time of year when many gardeners begin taking inventory of their seeds and checking to see if they have the seeds they need for the coming season. And that's certainly what we've begun doing here at Days Well Spent. I've started going through our seeds, deciding what we're going to plant for the year, and I've even began planting our peppers already. So the first thing you want to do is to check your seed packs, and you can see here this said that it was packed for 2017, sell by 12/17. So this is going to mean that it is for the season of 2017. We're going into 2021. This packet is empty. I just hung on to it. Usually seeds though are viable for 5 years. One way to know if you happen to come across an old pack of seeds is to do a germination test. We usually do a germination test on most of our seeds. We've got some larkspur here. These are green beans that we'll be planting soon. Two types of seeds that we're going to be testing today. The first is a tomato seed from Seeds of Change, and then the other are tomato seeds that we harvested from our plant in 2018. And like I said, most seeds are going to be good for about 5 years if you store them in a cool, dry, dark location. First thing you're going to do is you're going to need a paper towel, a baggie, and you want to make sure that you mark your baggie. To make the math easy, I'm just going to do 10 seeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you've got your seeds down on the paper towel. I'm going to get the paper towel damp. Then you want to fold it over your seeds. That's going to act as that top layer of soil. Get it just a little bit wetter. We're going to fold it over. We're going to place it in the baggie. You do not want to squeeze all the air out of it. And seal it. Same thing with these. I've got the Seeds of Change ones. Kind of get them all in the same spot. I don't want them overlapping. Okay. Again, place it in the baggie, but don't let all the air out. Don't squeeze all the air out. Now you want to place the plastic bag in a warm environment like the top of a refrigerator, and after a couple of days you should see your seeds begin to sprout. I'm going to go place these on a warm sprouting mat that we have the other seedlings started on. It's been 3 days since we started our germination test, and you will usually see your seedlings emerge as far as tomatoes 7 to 10 days. So here are the Seeds of Change ones. Get that opened up. And here you can see we've already got some tails sprouting. After the 7 to 10 days, you'll count how many sprouted, and that's going to give you your percentage for your germination test. So if 9 out of 10 of these sprout, then I know my germination rate is 90%. The other ones, and they are all nice and fat. They've plumped up. And most of them have just the start of a tail where the seed is starting to open up. So now you can do your germination test any time of the year. I prefer to do it right before we're planting. That way I'm not wasting any seeds. So what I'm going to do now, since all of these have swollen up and actually started to break open, I know they're all going to germinate. I'm going to go ahead and get them planted for our spring garden. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it useful. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to visit dayswellspent.com.